Right now, we got a tire swap on a 1980 Chevy Silverado. You know how it go. That short bed is in high demand in these streets. Okay, so now, you see we don't have no motor. We done snatched the motor out with a whole lawnmower. Y'all know we got to get this stuff done by any means necessary. Hey, shout out to Mr. C too. Mr. C get it done, and Mr. C price going up after this video drop. Because we don't need much to get it a lot done. You know what I'm saying? The truck looked crazy before, but watch how we do it after the tire swap is going down. Alright, the tire change going on right now, but we are keeping the old wheels and tires. We don't throw nothing away over here, man. That is a motto. That is the creed. That's how you build wealth. Use it all, baby. We throw nothing away. Recycling started in the hood. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with new visual experiences releasing every week. Right here. Click the button. Subscribe. If you don't do that, you stink a little bit.